Here's how tiny microcontrollers can be the perfect solution for easy control of your model railroad lights, sounds, and accessories. Introducing Getting Started with Model Railroad Microcontrols. Your step-by-step guide with clever, low-cost ways to more flexibly control your model railroad lights, sounds, and accessories. Here are some examples. You learn how to control several functions at the same time and bring scale model people and animals to life. You'll see how to add interest to your railroad with lights in action. And how to add special effects, like a simulated fire or a worker doing some welding. Discover how to add movement and synchronize signals. These are just some of many uses for microcontrols. In this ebook, you'll see how microcontrols can add a whole new dimension in realism to your model railroad. This comprehensive 7-part ebook shows you step-by-step how to get started. It includes lots of diagrams, coding, photos, and videos to clearly demonstrate each step. Download it now and keep it on your computer or by your layout for easy reference.